Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error, that is the app you are trying to install isn't a Microsoft verified app. So whenever you try to install any application on your Windows 11 computer and if you're receiving this error message, then please follow the steps shown in this video. To fix this, go to the start menu and then click on settings. Now go to apps. Now click on apps and features. On the very top here you can see the option which says choose where to get apps, and in my case the Microsoft Store only is recommended and that is selected. So click on this drop down option and select anywhere. And now once you select anywhere, now you can restart your computer and then try to install your application, and you should not receive this error message anymore. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.